so I thought I'd do a little raw bit on this one here, mainly because like it looks cool when you're doing headlights. So as you can see here, that like they were actually really yellowed before we got these in, and we got the fog lights too. So I hit them with 240 first because there was stone chips all through them. There's still a couple, but they're really deep ones. So 240, 400, 500, 800, 1000, and then 1000 wet, and now we're going to clear them. So this is off that VF Calais that I done a full respray on. So I also thought, may as well just sort of finish that video series off. How does that? Like new, man. Yes, it's always a very satisfying result, clearing up yellowed headlights. Still got to have a laugh at it though. My 1975 Corona with glass headlights, probably still the original ones, I don't know, but yeah, not showing any sign of age, yet you've got a car that could be, I don't know, maybe no more than 10 years old, and yeah, it needs to be refurbished. It says a lot about the quality drop of manufacturing, I guess, and it's a global thing. No one seems to care. Companies probably love it. It's called planned obsolescence. They make more money. When money is king, you know, that's just where we're at as a society. A society will always worship something, and we no longer worship God, we worship money, and that's pretty sad. But what can you do? Just join in, mate. I'm just here. I'm just an observer. LVC 131 clear. Love this clear. I use the standard hardener in this one. No need to use the slow on a job like this. On the respray, on the rest of the body of the car, I just use slow. Yeah, good thing I've got this bloody full face respirator. Bloody clouds of overspray. Got to protect those eyes and everything else. I might not even have enough clear here. I mixed up 350. Might just make it. We'll see how we go. Maybe just. Running out. I probably will need to mix up a little bit more, you know. But yeah, another thing that I've sort of learned over the years with headlights, don't use adhesion promoter or plastic primer. You don't need to, and it will actually cause issues as well. It causes some of the plastics to wrinkle up. Are we just gonna make it? It looks like we are. Just, man. Hell yeah, brother. Just puffed out right at the end. Nice. I'll give you the quick close-up on it, and then we'll call that a vid. Nothing special today, just a little vid, but like I say, you get to finish off the video series on my mate Nick's VF Commodore. There you go. Like new, man. Like new. Fog lights all done. so satisfying. So yeah, finish off with 1000 grit wet. Did the blackout, so it'll look good when it's done. Righto guys, see you in the next one. Gunman out.